Alright, we are doing a deep penetration with Winchester DEER SEASON XP in 223 with 64 grain of weight. Extreme point. These out the muzzle are flying at 3,020 feet per second and with an energy of 1,296 pounds of energy. So here we go, deep penetration. Alright, here we go. And yes, this is a new product Smoky Oak is offering. It's the multi-use shooting stool. Multi-uses. Smoky Oak. Makers. Fine product. Now while shooting, you always want to keep the lid up for safety. Remember that. While shooting, always keep the lid up for safety. Now on with the video. What we're doing today is a deep penetration test of the 223 Winchester DEER SEASON XP bullet. These are new to me. They might have been out for a while. Here we go. Deep penetration, as you see, we got right there. We did not have a clean pass through. So let's see how many boards gone through. And when I decide to talk, the wind finally picks up. Ain't that lovely? Let's see, got my SOG corn sack shank going on there. Yep, definitely a handy little item. Alright, there we go. In the first one, out. Into the second one, hole definitely getting bigger, and out the second board. Deep penetration still going on. Okay, we are into the third, and we are out the third. Wow. Now we're plugging into the fourth, and there you go. We are into the fourth. Nothing out, so not too shabby right there. Alright, with the DEER SEASON XP on the deep penetration, we might have a tumbler going on here. As you can see, that's the first board, entry of the second. Looks like it's going sideways on the third, and looks like we pretty much turned 90 degrees. Let's just take a look here. .35. 0.4. So 0.56. 0.56. So definitely tumbling on us. That is interesting. Be cool to actually have ballistics gel. But at Smoky Oak, they give us exactly what we need. And this is exactly all we need. Because Smoky Oak, makers of fine products.